Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, it's Sunday and it's a one-day vlog because I haven't vlogged all week except for the products that I promised to start as of last week. Well, I had it out last Wednesday. If anybody is interested to see the products that I use, please click on that video. Okay, so today I'm just again hanging out by the pool. Not again, because it's been some time that I haven't been hanging out at the pool due to the rain that came every day. Yet we are already in June, so it's a bit abnormal to be raining in this month since we are supposed to be already out of the monsoon. But now that looks like it's going to be sunny all day. I haven't checked the forecast yet. I better take advantage by just hanging out here since 11 a.m. and now it's what time is it? Yeah, 11:30 almost. No, I've been here since 10 o'clock then in that case. Yeah, since 10 o'clock. So, just wanted to relax and just wanted to make your video that I hope new viewers would click and subscribe. All right. Okay, so what have we to talk about? Well, first of all, the filter of my pool is broken, which means I have to change to a new one, but at the moment I can't buy it to replace the old one, so I have to have patience. I don't know what to do because it's a lot of money, and also I don't have credit card, first of all, which wouldn't have made any difference anyway because I never use credit card. I use debit card, but even debit card I don't have online to utilize it online to cash some money or to buy in person, yes, but not online. So I can't buy that. I can't buy anything on credit, which never has been my habit, but at this moment it would serve me well to buy the filter so that I could have it installed right away, because now the pool is nice and clean, but soon it's going to ruin again because the filter is not doing its job any longer. Anyhow, go on with that. Now can you see the changing of the light from sunny to a little bit cloudy? The sun is trying very hard to come out still. So that's one thing that I've been facing, the hiccups of life of maintaining this house. You know, one thing is soft, one thing comes up. One thing is soft, one thing comes up. The two taps that I have had to replace, they both have been replaced to a lesser quality kind because I couldn't buy the best quality ones, so made do with that. And then the filter broke, so now the filter, I'm not complaining, I'm just sharing with you the life of maintaining a house when you are a widow or when you are on your own. Because if you had a husband or if you had a partner with you, at least the burden is not so much felt when it comes to maintenance. Especially me, because I don't work, I just depend on the pension of my husband and the odd occasion of bed and breakfast, which doesn't come regularly. Therefore I can count on that. And then what else have we to talk about. So I'd like to share with you that, you know, when you are faced with a setback or a hiccup or an obstacle, just attack it. Don't shrivel, but just think, use your brain, talk to yourself, go inside you and ask about what is best to do, whether to wait it out or whether to find a way to solve it, which signifies that you have to resort to a shortcut of solving this problem. And what is the shortcut? You know, that's the question. Unless I wait until next month, but even that I cannot use my money to buy the filter cash just like that. I could only pay on installments and I don't have credit card. And even on the online store, they do have the system of buy now, pay later. I can't. Don't back down. Back down for you as to reflect on what strategy or what path to take. You know, I'm not a guru, I'm not a teacher, I'm not a lecturer. I'm just sharing my personal situation, you know, on how to solve problems. When you are on your own, you cannot even discuss with anybody. So this is the time when I need my husband. Anyway, I had dragon fruit with a yogurt for second breakfast, because the first breakfast I had the Indonesian martabak, which is like omelette kind of cake, but it was from a new place and the taste is good, but I found a stone in it, so I will never again order from that place anymore. And I haven't had my coffee. My Italian coffee is finished, but I can buy right now because it's quite pricey in Indonesia for just 125 grams of decaffeinated Illy coffee. Would cost me like 8 euros, so I can't buy that. So I can make my cappuccino as per usual, but I like to add coffee, real Italian espresso in it to make it, you know, taste much more authentic. So what else? And now it's cloudy. You see, I haven't checked on the forecast. And what else? Can you see a little bit of smoke here coming up like an incense? It's not an incense, it's a mosquito repellent coil, the old-fashioned that we used to have in Indonesia. We still have it. So see, the old-fashioned one. You can't find a proper that kind of terracotta pots, big ones, medium ones. I can't find them online. They're all shiny. One thing about here, they always have to varnish it. They don't go for the, please, you know, leave it as natural as possible. Don't varnish it. Even if I were to making a deck here, the wooden are all varnished, but I'm sure I can find the natural patina one. I think I'm going to close my laptop because look, the sun is shining again. It hits my laptop right on top. Okay. Oh my God, it's hot. So yeah, what else to say? Do I long to travel again? No, not at all. Do I long to visit Milan? Yes, just to get some of my things to bring here in Jakarta, and just to get a few things that I need from there. That's all. But not to travel any longer. Been there, done that. What else? What do I miss? Do I miss being in a holiday or vacation places? No. Look what I have here. I'm so grateful, beyond grateful, that I have my own vacation place, and that is my own home. So I don't need that. Yeah, I'm going to make this video just for you to put it out later on, because today it's Sunday already. Ooh, I am perspiring. You know, I just had an aha moment last night while watching YouTube. That's one thing about watching things. Sometimes, you know, you see, you know, on the browser, don't feel like watching that, and then I just click, and from that very video, it inspired me to use this netting kind of what do you call, tent, to replace the plastics that I use on the balcony. And I've been thinking all this time to buy like glass, to replace with glass, or to, don't know, make it fancy. But I don't need it. I just need this. All I need is to buy maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of this. Just buy 4 of those, and then I can put over the plastic, but at least the two lateral sides of the balcony, I could just tear away the plastic and then put this instead. That would look much more cohesive instead of the plastic, which is so ugly. The one above the blinds, the wooden blinds, we can put on top of that, but I doubt I would put this net directly. I would just leave the plastic there and then put over the plastic this one, so that the water doesn't fall through onto the balcony, especially in the center part. And what else? Oh, I cut my own hair. I'm so glad that now I can cut my own hair. I don't need to go to the hairdresser. Thanks to my life of thriftiness, I learned a lot. So I learned how to cut my own hair. The only thing, I haven't colored it yet. Now, manicure, pedicure, I can do all myself in that professional manner. I know that. All I need is massage, facial once in a while. That's all. I don't need to go to the hairdresser to cut my hair, because I can cut my hair on my own by myself. But the coloring, yes, I can do it also at home, but I prefer somebody else. That's it. And what else? So yeah, so this is my life here. Look, the sun is out again. I've already put the sun protection, 33 SPF by Nivea. That's it. I can show you the water is nice and blue. The only thing is there's no filter. Let me just show you, okay? It's nice and blue. But you see there, nothing, no movement. Oh look, I'm going to show you. I asked my gardener to use the bamboos, okay? This one to cut into this to make trellis and to hang and cover this ugly cement part of my garden which belongs to the neighbor. So this one is going to go up. The only thing is he's off today, but he's going to do it tomorrow when the nail for the concrete wall, because here in Jakarta we use concrete nail for it. So yes, here it is. Okay, so that's it, guys. Alright guys, sorry for my hair. So I hope to see you again in my next video, okay? You take care, stay safe always. And watch that distance, don't be too close with people. I don't know, we are in summer now, so everything is so sunny and burns all those germs, all the virus. But you know, comes autumn and winter, so be careful. And please, new viewers, subscribe. And yes, all my viewers here, my subscribers, please comment, please like. Okay, thank you for watching. Ciao ciao, arrivederci.